Imagine an AI research team working for you 24/7, sifting through the latest academic papers and trending tech discussions, delivering only the crucial insights. By the end of this video, you'll have exactly that, a zero-code AI agent setup that monitors sources like AR14 and Hacker News, automating hours of manual research. Before, you'd spend countless hours manually checking sites, falling behind on critical updates. After, you'll get a curated feed of new knowledge, ready when you wake up. This isn't just a time saver, it's an unfair advantage for staying informed in 2026.
The traditional way to stay updated is a constant grind. You're manually opening browser tabs for AR14's latest papers, refreshing Hacker News for trending discussions, and maybe even digging through RSS feeds. This takes hours every week, creating cognitive debt and often leading to missed opportunities. Our AI-powered approach flips this entirely. Instead of you chasing information, the information comes to you, automatically filtered and summarized.
Today, we're building a simple yet powerful AI research agent. This agent will monitor new publications and discussions, acting as your personal research assistant. We'll focus on two key platforms: AR14 for cutting-edge scientific papers and Hacker News for real-time tech trends. The goal is to set this up once, and let it run in the background, continuously feeding you relevant data.
Our first tool is Dify. Dify is an AI development platform that lets you build and operate AI applications and agents with a visual interface. It's fantastic for non-developers who want to leverage advanced AI capabilities without writing code. Its standout features include a drag-and-drop workflow builder, pre-built agent templates, and seamless integration with various large language models. Dify is best for solopreneurs and small teams looking to quickly deploy custom AI solutions. It operates on a freemium model, offering generous free tiers to get started.
Step 1. Set up your automated workflow platform. We'll start with Dify. Head over to the Dify website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, navigate to the Agents section. Here, you'll see options to create a new agent. Think of this agent as the brain of your research team.
Our second tool is N8N. N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to connect any app or API with a visual editor. What makes N8N unique is its flexibility and the option to self-host, giving you full control over your data. It boasts hundreds of integrations, a robust visual workflow editor, and the ability to handle complex logic. N8N is ideal for users who need deep customization and control over their automation, from technical users to those comfortable with a bit more power. It's also freemium, with a strong open source community.
Step 2. Configure your sources for AR14 and Hacker News. In Dify, you'll use its tool functionality to integrate external data. We'll connect to an N8N workflow. Within N8N, you'll set up two separate nodes, one to fetch the latest papers from AR14 via its API, and another to scrape the top posts from Hacker News. N8N's visual builder makes this surprisingly straightforward.
For AR14, you'll use an HTTP request node in N8N to query the AR14 API for new papers in your chosen fields. For example, you can search for AI, machine learning, or privacy. For Hacker News, you'll use an RSS feed node or a simple web scraper node to pull the daily top stories. This ensures you're always getting fresh, relevant data.
Step 3. Define your AI research agent's query. Back in Dify, after receiving the raw data from N8N, your Dify agent will process it. You'll give it a clear prompt: analyze these articles and discussions. Identify key trends, summarize the most important findings, and flag any discussions with high engagement. This is where the AI truly shines, turning raw data into actionable intelligence.
Step 4. Integrate notifications for insights. Once Dify has processed the information, you need to receive it. Connect Dify to a notification tool. This could be an email integration, a Slack message, or even a simple webhook that pushes the summary to a Notion page. You'll get daily or weekly digests, depending on your preference, without lifting a finger.
This setup is a game changer. Before, you might have spent 8 hours a week manually sifting through information. Now, with this AI research team, that work is done for you in literally 5 minutes of review time. You're not just saving time, you're gaining access to a continuous stream of curated knowledge, keeping you at the forefront of your industry. This is how you prevent cognitive debt and stay sharp.
Dify is excellent for its intuitive agent builder and ease of integrating LLMs directly into workflows. It's a fantastic starting point for anyone new to AI agents. N8N, on the other hand, offers unparalleled flexibility and a wider range of connectors, making it perfect for complex, custom automations. If you want a visual agent builder, Dify is the one to beat. If you need deep control and integration power, N8N is your go-to. Both are powerful, but serve slightly different needs.
This workflow is just one example of how you can leverage AI to build an autonomous research team. The possibilities are endless. This is part of the Solopreneurs AI Agent Handbook series. The next chapter, where we build another powerful agent, drops soon. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on transforming your productivity.